Hi everyone, I'm Ogu. I'm from West Africa, Benin Republic. So currently I'm pursuing my BTech in computer science in Mangalayatan University, Aligarh, UP. So as we all know, that making an engineer it needs a lot of practice. So that's why the IT faculties, along with the theoretical courses that they are giving us, they also provide a lot of practical teaching that make us ready for being an engineer. So the university, first of all, is a beauty, and then it attracts anyone that visit the campus. Adding to that, the huge land that occupy this university make possible some sport activities like football, volleyball, and without forgetting cricket. So we do have also in the campus a teams. Those are the team that are ready also to visit some big companies like Amazon, Google, and so on. So by next year, I'll be ready to become a very good engineer and then start my journey in software engineering. Thank you. Oh, I was